Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from Beta 2 Limited bringing you this morning's market report. First of all, I'd like to start by apologising for the lag we've had since our last morning meeting. This is purely in back of the volatility we've seen in the markets, which has obviously gone through the roof, and the impact it has had on asset classes in general. Let me recap. If you look at the third quarter, it was the worst third quarter for equities in general since 2011. We saw major equity indices around the world fall dramatically. FTSE 100 was down over 7%, S&P 500 down over 7.5%, and German DAX was down over 8.5%. Over in emerging markets, equities were down dramatically as well. And this was all on back of obviously situation in China, the slowdown markets are expecting, and also the uncertainty surrounding the liftoff in the US by Federal Reserve. Combine these all things together, we saw a very, very poor quarter, and a lot of what we call sort of idiosyncratic movements in the markets, whereby the impact of one asset classes on the other was also distorted massively. Volatility was high. Now, since then, start of the fourth quarter has seen equities rebound. This was on back of China slow down, sort of, I guess, exacerbated calming down slightly. But at the same time, what we've been seeing over the last sort of couple of weeks is fairly poor economic data in the US. We had non-farm last week, which came out way lower than expected. So on back of that, the liftoff of the Federal Reserve has been pushed back further down. Previously, markets were expecting liftoff end of this year, around about December. Now that's been pushed back to March. So what that means is we will see monetary policy easing in the world's largest economy longer, therefore impacting equities in a positive way, and equities obviously bouncing back up. Now looking at the markets today, we are seeing markets take a bit of a breather. They're down slightly, but they've had a sort of good last 10 trading days. We've got a couple of key events happening today which could impact the market, and we could see volatility pick up. At 12 o'clock this afternoon, we have the Bank of England releasing their minutes of the meeting together with the interest rate decision, and we also have the MPC voting as well. Now last month, out of the 9 MPC members, we had 8 voting in favour of no increase, 1 in favour of increasing interest rate. We may see 1 member come into their camp of an interest rate increase, so we may see 8-1 go to potentially 7-2, 7 hold, 2 increase. On back of that, pound will see movements, we will see volatility. We also have ECB releasing their monetary policy statement, which will impact the euro. That comes out at 12:30, a 3-star data. And then at 7 o'clock this evening, we have the FOMC minutes of the meeting coming out. Again, that could be very, very important purely because that will give us indication as to what Fed members think and when they think interest rates should go up. And we also have Mark Carney speaking at 7 o'clock, again impacting the pound. So today could be an eventful day with a lot of 3-star data and events happening, so watch out. That's it for today. Thank you very much for listening in, and I'll see you again tomorrow.